Stop crying about your credit score. What's going on, guys? It's Getbusyenterprise. Welcome back to my mentorship channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I post a lot of credit and funding content that's going to help you build your credit and get to the next level. One of my biggest pet peeves is when someone's in a bad situation. They know exactly how to get out of that bad situation, but instead of trying to, they just continue to complain about it. And I see that happen a lot when it comes to people and their credit. If you're watching this and you have bad credit, chances are you know exactly what you have to do in order to get good credit. You're just being stubborn or you're being cheap. And all that's doing is delaying your process. If you simply would have put yourself through the credit repair process, you took the information that you were learning online and applied it, you'd have a better credit score. It's that simple. There's two things that you have to do to build credit. It could have negative items. You have to put yourself through the credit repair process in order to remove those negative accounts off your credit report, right? Because the clearer your credit report is, usually the higher your scores are. Or two, you have to add positive history in your credit report. You can do that by adding accounts like Self on your credit. You can add accounts like Credit Strong. You have Kobo Credit. You have Rent Reporters, Rental Karma, right? There's a lot of different ways that you can go about it. You can open up a security card, make a nice deposit, build some credit history, turn that security card in the next 3 months to an unsecured card with an actual credit limit. There's a bunch of different things that you can do. People that have bad credit, they come across videos like this all the time. They get value and then they just don't take any action. And then later down the line, they complain that their credit is bad again, but you're still not doing what you have to do in order to better your credit. So stop crying about your credit. If you're serious about it and you really want to increase your scores and you want to improve the overall health of your credit report, you know exactly what to do. There's thousands of people online that are offering credit repair services. And the way SEO works online right now, if you search up credit repair on Google and you go back to Instagram, you go back to Facebook and you scroll past 10 posts, you're going to come across someone that does credit repair. Go check out their page, look at the reviews, see the results that they're delivering their clientele. And if you think their service aligns with what you're looking for, pay that person for their time, repair your credit, go on YouTube, search up different ways to build your credit history and apply the information. You give it 4 to 5 months, your credit will be in a way better place. Stop complaining about your credit score or your situation, especially if you know exactly what you need to do in order to get yourself out that situation. Remember, guys, action takers are money makers. You want to make money, you want to be super successful, you have to take massive action. The information is out there. You have ChatGPT, you have all these different resources that you can utilize to put yourself in a better position. Any way that you feel like you're lacking in life, there's amazing information out there for anything. There's always going to be information that you can use to change your situation. So stop complaining and start taking action. 2026 was the year that you say you were going to change your life. You were going to turn your life around. You were going to start making improvements. You were going to stop slacking. And now we're in the second month of the new year and you're still doing the same things. And because of that, you're going to receive the same exact results as last year and the year after that. So stop complaining and start putting action behind your ideas. It'll take you a long way.